It is the next day, Monday, and this is a bit of a bonus video from my office because there has been a seriously awesome response to yesterday's video. The Nomadic Life Postponed has hit 3,000 views and 250 comments in less than a day, which for my channel is really, really good. And I would hope that the ones of you who are watching this also saw that video. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch that. Nelly and my life has changed dramatically in the last 4 days. And it sounds like from the comments, so has yours. We got a ton of amazing comments from all over the world. And as I said in yesterday's video, I went through almost all of them and I've responded to as many as I can. And your stories are intense, really, really crazy. From Australia to the US to the UK to all across Europe. Thank you for sharing those stories and keep your head up. Remember to stay positive and find that silver lining. But really, really interesting to hear from so many of you. So thank you for that. Now, to update you on our situation, it's only been 1 day, less than 24 hours, and I've made it to the grocery store. So my North Americanism really held back on buying all of the toilet paper in Germany, but I definitely got a good chunk of the essentials. I'll let you guess what you can decipher from what's behind me. I also have, of course, 7 Frisbees and a little mini Frisbee, because those who know me well and watch the channel often, you know my favorite sport. So I'll hopefully be getting a lot more of that in over the next week or so. But at the same time, social distancing, really important. So luckily for me, golf is a very solo sport. But indeed, I want to be kind of keeping my distance from friends and family and those who I know here in Germany. I also got a lot of response regarding the financial situation and how that is changing for so many of us, including myself. So what I've seen is that other photographers and videographers and YouTubers have created online courses that they're putting on a discount. And somebody even commented that I should do the same. Now, I don't know if you know this, but I have an online course called Introduction to YouTube for Video Creators, and it's been selling well. And I thought to myself, okay, why not? Let's give it a go. So I've got an email from Nick Page, and I got one from Gavin Hardcastle and one from Daniel Corden. All of them are putting a discount on their online courses. And I was like, yeah, you know, I already own Nick Page's photography course for Photoshop. It's really good. Daniel Corden's looks really good, and I really like his photos, so I'm tempted to get that one. Gavin, I think you guys know Gavin, they're probably not that great, so I think I'll just hold off on those. You know, maybe the Michael Shainblum part of his Milky Way was really good, but the other stuff, you know, I'm gonna hold off. But my course is exceptional. It's very, very good. It's got a lot of really good feedback. It's so good, I can't think of any other words to say about it. But right now it's 50% off, so I am going to try and see if I can sell my course, to have an entrepreneurial spirit of trying to make a little bit more money over the next few weeks, because my income has been cut hard over the next month and a bit. So in all seriousness, I have put 50% off on the full Introduction to YouTube for Video Creators course, plus my personal sound effects library. So as a video creator, I have been collecting sound effects from cities to miscellaneous to nature for the last few years, and I've curated them and smashed them all together and uploaded them so that you can download them. So the personal sound effects library comes with the full Introduction to YouTube for Video Creators course, and that is on 50% discount right now on the Teachable website, which is where it's hosted. So all of that information is in the description. And if you want to support this starving artist in his time of need, with all that food behind me, but in reality, if you are looking to learn a little bit more about YouTube, and if you're interested in starting your own channel, then this course will be great for you. All the information is online. You can check out, there's a trailer, there is the course overview, the outline, everything you need to know is there, including even some testimonials from people that have already bought and purchased the course. And we have a secret Facebook group too, the exclusive Facebook group for those who are part of it. So all good things. If you want to be part of that community, that would be awesome. So all that's linked in the description. Check it out. And who knows, maybe we'll put up another surprise video soon. Stay tuned, you know, from my new office here in Germany. I hope you're all doing well. Thanks again for all the great comments, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.
that, Greg? You dissing my tutorial videos? Well, I tell you what, how about I make a video tutorial series on how to make a YouTube channel, kind of like you did, except the difference will be that I'll show people how to make videos that people actually want to watch. Happy quarantine.
About Gavin's videos, they're surprisingly kind of okay. They're not terrible. I mean, they're not great, but they're not bad.
What's that? Did you enjoy that video series by Gavin and Michael Shainbloom? It was amazing, baby. Oh, I wish I'd watched it so much earlier. I love Astro. Thank you, Gavin. Thank you, Michael.